I wasn't looking, just passing by. Another ordinary day under the sky. Then I saw you and time stood still, feeling so strong I couldn't fight the thrill. I never believed in love at first sight, something in you felt so right. A chance encounter, a twist of fate. Now I know it wasn't too late. In a moment, you became my forever, like a dream we'll be together. I wasn't searching, but now that you're here, I'll hold you close and never fear. From strangers to lovers, it's easy to see you were always meant for me. We didn't plan it, no grand design, but somehow your heart found mine. Through the laughter and every tear, I found my home now that you're near. I never believed in love at first sight, but something in you felt so right. A chance encounter, a twist of fate. Now I know it wasn't too late. In a moment, you became my forever, like a dream we'll be together. I wasn't searching, but now that you're here, I'll hold you close and never fear. From strangers to lovers, it's easy to see you were always meant for me. Now every day feels like the start of the journey where you stole my heart. No more wandering, no more goodbyes. In your love I found my skies. In a moment, you became my forever, like a dream we'll be together. I wasn't searching, but now that you're here, I'll hold you close and never fear. From strangers to lovers, it's easy to see you were always meant for me. And every day feels like the start of the journey where you stole my heart. No more wandering, no more goodbyes. In your love I found my skies. In a moment you came my forever, like a dream we'll be together. From that chance our love took flight. Now and always you feel so right.